Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to apply background color, alternative background color and conditional formatting in Jaspersoft. To demonstrate this, we have already created a sample report. Let's get started. First, I'm going to explain how to apply a background color in Jaspersoft. Select all the column headers and navigate to the Static Text Properties section. Choose the color you want to use as the background color, and then disable the transparent property for the static text. Once the configuration is complete, then click Preview. The selected background color will be applied to the header section of the report, giving it a more professional and attractive appearance. Next, I'm going to explain how to apply an alternative background color in Jaspersoft. Applying alternative background colors is a useful technique for improving report readability. Go to the Styles menu and create a new style with your desired name. Once the style has been created, open the style properties and define the condition that will determine when the background color should change. Next, choose the background color you want to use from the Properties panel. You can select any color that matches your reporting standards and improves readability. After selecting the color, make sure to disable the transparent properties so that the background color is displayed correctly in the report. This ensures that the color is visible when the specified condition is met and helps create a clear visual distinction between rows. Once the configuration is complete, apply the style to the required report elements. Ensure that the transparent property is disabled for the selected elements so that the background color and other formatting settings are applied properly. Then click Preview the report. The background color will automatically change based on the condition you defined, creating an alternating color effect. This makes the report more organized, visually appealing, and easier to read. Next, I'm going to explain how to apply conditional styling in Jaspersoft. Conditional styling allows you to dynamically change the appearance of report elements based on specific conditions. This feature is particularly useful for highlighting important information, drawing attention to key values, and making reports easier to read and analyze. Go to the Styles menu and create a new style with your desired name. Once the style has been created, open the Style properties and configure the condition that will determine when the formatting should be applied. The condition can be based on field values, variable values, parameters, or expressions that evaluate to either true or false during report execution. In this example, we will change the forecolor and make the text bold when the specified condition is met. Once the configuration is complete, save the style and apply it to the required text field. The style will automatically control the formatting of the text field based on the conditions and properties you have defined. Then click Preview to view the report. As you can see, the formatting is applied automatically whenever the defined condition is satisfied. This dynamic behavior helps highlight important data, improves report readability, and ensures that the desired formatting is consistently applied without requiring any manual intervention and enhances the overall presentation of the report. This is how you can apply alternative styling and conditional formatting in Jaspersoft. Thank you for watching.